heavy. What can it be? I don't know. We'll have to take the paper off and see. Can you take the paper off? Oh, it's a cup! Ada! Made it! Oh, and I like this. And I like the yellow because it matches my shirt. Oh, thank you. Can I give you a kiss for that? Thank you so much. Look what I got, Grandpa.
Yeah.
I got a cup.
That's
and
great.
Ada made it. Ada,
Ada
spring
gave it to you.
2008. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Can I drink out of it today?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll drink my milk out of it.
Yeah.
And I probably should drink my water too. Don't you think? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. That is so nice. And I like the feel of the handle. I can put my fingers right in there. Oh, that. Oh, that's my cup.
Can you
I
show?
love it.
Can we see it, Grandma Sue?
We can show my cup to camera.
There we go.
Isn't that nice? That's the nicest cup I've ever had.
Yay! Yay! What's that? You want to see the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. You know how to say it. Go ahead. Daddy. Okay.